AutoCAD is a powerful tool for creating precise and detailed drawings. However, complex projects often lead to cluttered drawings with unnecessary elements. Redundant lines, duplicate objects, and overlapping entities can make your drawings confusing. This clutter not only affects the visual clarity but also increases file size. It can slow down your workflow. Cleaning up your drawings is essential for maintaining efficiency and accuracy. That's where the Overkill command comes in. This command is a real time saver, helping you identify and remove unnecessary objects. By eliminating these redundancies, you can optimize your drawings. This makes them easier to manage and work with. The Overkill command in AutoCAD is a lifesaver when it comes to cleaning up your drawings. It automatically detects and removes overlapping lines, arcs, and polylines. It also eliminates duplicate objects, keeping only one instance. This is essential for maintaining a clean and efficient drawing environment. Imagine you're working on an architectural drawing with multiple layers. You've copied and pasted elements, and now you have overlapping walls and duplicate windows. This is where the Overkill command shines. With a few clicks, it analyzes your selection and removes the unnecessary duplicates, leaving you with a clean and organized drawing. The benefits of using the Overkill command are numerous. Firstly, it saves you time and effort. Instead of manually hunting down and deleting redundant objects, Overkill does the heavy lifting for you. This allows you to focus on more important tasks, such as design and drafting. Secondly, Overkill improves the accuracy of your drawings. Overlapping lines and duplicate objects can lead to errors and inconsistencies, especially when you're working with complex designs. By removing these redundancies, Overkill ensures that your drawings are clean, precise, and error-free. Lastly, using Overkill results in smaller file sizes. Redundant objects increase the amount of data stored in your drawing. This can slow down your computer and make it harder to share files. By removing these unnecessary elements, Overkill keeps your file sizes manageable, improving overall performance. Using the Overkill command is a straightforward process. First, type Overkill in the command line and press Enter. Then, select the objects you want to clean up. You can select the entire drawing or specific objects. Once you've made your selection, press Enter again. AutoCAD will then analyze your selection and display the Overkill dialog box. This dialog box gives you options to control how Overkill operates. For example, you can choose to ignore objects on certain layers or with specific properties. Once you've configured the settings, click OK to run the command. Overkill will process your selection and remove any redundant objects. You'll see a progress bar indicating the status. Once the command is finished, you'll have a cleaner and more efficient drawing.